Select the circle shape and resize it to the size you want your ornament to be. Then make a smaller circle and align it somewhere near the top, but not too close to the top because you don't want it to split up there. But this is where your ribbon is going to go through. Select both and then hit slice, and that creates the hole in your ornament. Duplicate because you need, well, for this one, you only need one, but if you are doing them the way I did them, one with a picture and one with the birth stats, then you're gonna need two. So after you've duplicated, you make another round, and to insert a picture, you just bring your picture in and resize it just big enough for it to fit over your circle ornament. Select both, hit slice, and now you can get rid of the pieces that you don't need. So there's the photo part of the ornament. The next steps, all I did was type in her name and her birth stats because this is her first Christmas, so we're making her first Christmas ornament. I wanted the first letter of her name to be bigger than everything else, so I typed it separately. And then I went back and typed in the rest of her name. From here, I got ready. I'm doing the birth stats, and for these, I typed each element separately. The 5 is separate from the LBS, the pounds, and I did that because I didn't want everything to read left to right. And I kind of changed the colors of things as I went along and also resized. So if you want something to flip counterclockwise, you're going to go up to rotate, click the negative button, and then put in your how far you want it to rotate. I want it 90 degrees counterclockwise, so I did negative 90. And I did that for the rest the of her stats. And then after that, I just went in and added some things to kind of jazz it up a little bit, some hearts and arrows and things like that. There's absolutely no wrong way to do this. You can design it and decorate it the way you want it. That's the beauty of being able to put everything together separately using the fonts and images in Design Space. Now, once you have everything looking the way you want it, select everything and then hit flatten. And what flatten does is tells Design Space that you need to print that portion first. Now, if you're using wood, you need to make sure that you separate it on your mat, on your on-screen mat. Send it to printer. Make sure you select the right printer. I have two printers. Um, I always use the system dialog box, and that's because that gives me a little bit, it allows me to brighten it before I go to print.